Hey everybody, it's Autumn and Herbs, Health, and Healing as usual. So today focusing on herbs because I just got one of my new herbal shipments from Mountain Rose, and they are sustainable, and I usually do pretty much organic within my apothecary. So I was just going to unbox, and I didn't know if anybody else kind of wanted to see what goodies I have in here. I'm not even sure I remember what is in here, but Mountain Rose Herbs is one of my favorite suppliers here in the United States. If I can't find something locally or from a herbalist that has a shop nearby that I know, then I usually go to Mountain Rose first. And they've been having a little bit, I'm opening the box here, they've had a little bit of a delay with shipments due to COVID. A lot of people want plant medicines. So I recently had to turn a couple of clients away because I didn't have ashwagandha powder, but in this box should be some ashwagandha powder. So I do not powder it anymore myself because you just lose so much during the yield, right? So they have a little product care guide in there. Information about herbal bitters, good for digestive health. As a gut health coach, I love that. And then, I won't show you my address and all that good stuff, but we got some good stuff in here, you guys. Okay, let's see. Sustainable packaging, which is fantastic. All right, trying to keep everything safe in here. Get to the good stuff. Okay. So it looks like here we have 4 ounces of lemon verbena. So if you're ever looking to buy herbs, it's good to know kind of what size you're looking at. So usually when I think of an ounce, I think about 10 to 15 cups of tea, maybe. But this is 4 ounces of lemon verbena. And then I have it in my Lemony Relax blend. I like lemon verbena just because, well, mainly of her flavor. I like to add that, but definitely some good medicinal benefits there. Some marshmallow leaf. So again, 4 ounces of that. And then one of my favorites, I realized recently that I have it in so many of my blends. It's the oat tops, the milky oat tops whole. So this is what a pound of those looks like. So depending on if it's a root, then it's going to weigh more and you're not going to get as much when you get it, depending on the weight, right? So milky oat tops, I love that as a nervine and a lot of my female blends. And so that is why Mama got 2 pounds. Need to be able to use those. Another lady favorite, raspberry leaf. Raspberry. Right. Looks like Eliza, you got a box from Mountain Rose. Love them. Hi, Bella. I think that's, yeah, it's hard to read there. So goldenrod. Got a little bit of that in there. What else are we looking for, guys? Mama's going to be working on another UTI blend. Some meadow sweet here. So an ounce versus 4 ounces. You can see that, I mean, because of the weight, they almost look the same, but, or size-wise anyway. Oh my gosh, calendula, you guys, one of my favorites. I was thinking about doing a live just about calendula because I recently had some inflammation in my eyes and they've been dry, and so I made calendula tea and made a compress with some paper towels, and every time I walk by the fridge I just kind of put my finger in there and rub some calendula tea on my eyes, keeping it in there for a couple of days because calendula is very safe as an eye wash, anti-inflammation, kind of soothing, and things like that. One of my favorite skin herbs next to comfrey. Love the calendula flower. You can even smell how lovely from here. Okay, so here is the ashwagandha powder that I was talking about, you guys. Ashwagandha is my favorite adaptogen right now. And let's see, do I have the root where I can grab it easily? Somewhere over here, yeah. So here's the actual root herself. My ring light's blowing that out. And then we've got the ashwagandha powder here. So ashwagandha is wonderful for the adrenals. I work with a lot of women who are going through kind of perimenopause and menopause, and so it's great for that. It's a light kind of, I don't want to say a sexual stimulator, but kind of an aphrodisiac, a little bit of getting ladies in the mood when they may not be feeling that way as they transition with hormones. And wonderful for the adrenal glands. Ashwagandha has a great affinity for the adrenal glands, and so many people are stressed right now. So another one of my favorite adaptogens is going to be holy basil. This is the tenuifolium, but I like the sanctum is what I grow here at home. But whenever I do things for the public, I always make sure that I can follow good manufacturing practice and follow certificates of analysis and make sure that everything is good to go in products and things like that, right? So I guess that's really all that I have for right now. Thank you guys so much for being with me. Let me know, or who else do you trust within the United States to be able to get supplies? Is there somebody local that you trust? Is there a larger company? I know I've used Star West Botanicals before. I've used Frontier before. They've been great as well. But as you can see, a lot of my labels are the Mountain Rose ones. So it's awesome because they include the lot number. I've got when it was packed on, you know, the Latin name itself, so I know exactly which herb that I need to be using and when. So thank you guys so much for joining me in the apothecary here again. I know real soon I'll probably be talking a little bit about gut health, thinking about doing an immersion here within my personal feed about gut health, something I've done in my Lady Sisterhood, but I think I'd like to bring it out to everybody else as well. So let me know if you want to learn a little bit more about gut health and kind of natural ways to be able to care for that, because I know I definitely have helped myself with a lot of natural things within that realm as well. So partially why I became a gut health coach too. So thank you guys so much, and yeah, let me know, was this helpful? Was this interesting? You know, do you want to see more unboxings? Do you want to see, you know, I know I've done a lot of tincture strainings. What else do you guys want to see, kind of herb-wise and health-wise? I know I want to start sharing a lot of videos with you and talking to you guys about my daily smoothies, in which I use a lot of herbs in there too. So anyway, love and light until next time, guys. Bye.